Welcome to Pray, Plan, Repeat. I'm Chanel. I'll be your hostess. Thank you so much for coming by to hang out with me. So, I know this channel was previously called Hanging with the Hills, but y'all just hanging out with me because the rest of the clan is either too busy or they don't want to be in the video. So I decided to change it, since it's basically my channel. I decided to change it to Pray, Plan, Repeat. Why? Because I want to talk about how, praying and giving back. Basically, that's my life, okay? Praying, and I meal plan, I budget plan, I use my planner a lot, and I repeat the same process every single week. And so that's basically how I came up with the name, and I really do like it. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I know I have been slacking off, mainly because I can't get anyone to get on here and plan with me and do videos with me, for one. And two, life. I have already filmed, and I already filmed and edit my my grocery haul video that I will be sharing with you guys. So that will be coming, I think it will be up in a few days. But it's already filmed, it's already edited, be looking out for that video. It's already done. I will be doing a plan with me video for not this week, but next week. So you guys will be looking out for that video as well. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys my planners for 2019 that I have chosen to use thus far. As far as I know, I'm only going to be using these two planners, but I am going to be changing them up so they'll be able to work with me and what I need them for. So let's jump right into the very first one. So the first one I picked up is this planner right here, if you guys can see that. So this is the, what are you called? So this is a 12-month planner. And I figured, everyone shows the planner, with the planner on the table. I wanted to show myself. So that's why you guys get to see me. Yeah. So this planner, as I'm taking that off, is the No Drama Llama planner, and it looks just like this. This is the 2019 from January to December. And I picked this planner because of basically the layout of it, and it would I'm just taking off this part, and how it will help me throughout 2019. So this is how I'm showing the planner. Okay, so this is the cover of the planner. That is the back of the planner. This is the inside of the planner, which is very, very nice. So on the inside it says, "Hello, beautiful." Well, it doesn't say hello, it says, "Hey, beautiful." And it says, "This happy planner belongs to." That's what it says right there. So the main reason why I picked out this planner is, like I said, is because of the layout. So on, you can see that the very first page is right here. I'm just going to fold this back and start on this side. It gives you the previous month, your current month, and your future month, all right here at the top. So it's easy for you to glance and look up, or if you want to use this as a habit tracker for your month, you can use that right up here. Well, that's how I'm going to use it. And I'm basically going to be using it like for exercising and stuff like that. And then up here it says January, it says highlights, birthdays, and it says plan, watching, eating, drinking, all the little things down here that you could use if you want to use it in that order. Then down here it says important dates. So these are the important dates of the current month that you're in. Then over here it says worth noting. So I want to use this in a different way, in a different format, which I'll be sharing with you guys. But this is the, what going into the month, like anything that you want to add in there. But I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be using this part. So on this side, this is your divider. It says make room for play. So that's what it looks like. So I might change this out to make room to pray. I think I'm going to change that to pray. That's what I think I'm going to change it out to. I'm not sure yet as they're stuck together. So this is your monthly layout. It looks just like this. Very simple. It's just a calendar. I like all the pops of color that you have at the top. I like the writing of January, and I like the 2019 number right up here at the top. It's very, very nice. Like it. Now, the very next page. It's not a weekly. There's no weekly dates or anything. It goes just like this. So it has your monthly goals over here. It has check it off, note to self. It has your calendar again. And then over here, it does actually have like 3 habit trackers right here that you could use instead of using the monthly thingy. Or you can just use this. But like I said, I'm going to be using all of these and changing this up to fit what I'm going to be using this for. And then on this page right here, it says jot it down so that you can write down notes or anything like that. Then right here we top priorities, and then right here it says thank you for. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know what I'm gonna be using this section for. So this section over here, I'm gonna be using it for video ideas for both of my YouTube channels. And then over here are gonna be my top 3 videos that I need to make sure I do and I film for my videos. So that's what this section is going to be changed into. This side over here, I haven't figured out this little square part yet, but that's basically what this portion of here is going to be, and I'm going to switch it out to being, and I'll show you guys how I'm going to be doing that as well. So this planner also comes with a daily to-do checklist. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for the daily to-do checklist yet. I have a couple ideas in mind that I want to use this for. So I'm going to try out those ideas, and then when I figure out one that will actually work, I will let you guys know. But yeah, that's the next pages on this planner right here. And then this section also goes into happy notes. So you have 2 pages of just regular lined paper that you can use in this section, and then on the next page it starts all over for the month of February, and that's what the month of February looks like. I think I might color this in and use this as a habit tracker as well, just as like a different kind of habit tracker. So that could be fun for the month of February. So yeah. So the next planner that I'll be taking into 2019 with me is this planner right here. This planner is a lot thicker than the one I just showed you, and this is an 18-month planner. So this planner starts January 2019 and it goes to June 2020. So this is the front of the planner. Like it says, do what makes your soul happy. So that is mainly the main reason why I picked up this planner, because I loved what it said right here. And on the back, this is what the back of the planner looks like. It's very, very pretty. So here's the cover. And right here it says, hello, this happy planner belongs to, and I'll put my name. It says 2019 to 2020 on it. The first page here, you have your 2019-2020 year at a glance. So I am going to utilize this and show you guys what I'm going to do with it. But yeah, so that's this right here. So this is the very next page. So this right here will be like the very first page right before the month starts and everything like that. So right here it says notes, important dates, January birthdays, monthly goals, and then it has like more important dates down here at the bottom. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for what this is intended to, but I may end up keeping the monthly goals down here, but usually I don't use these pages at all, especially not in my current happy planner that I'm using. I don't even use it. I don't even look at the page. I just bypass it and keep going. So I'm going to try and attempt to actually use these pages in these planners. So this is the divider for January, it says she saw beauty in everything. So that is very, very nice and very pretty. So I really do like how this divider looks. I'm happy I get to play with it. So this is the month setup. It says January 2019. I love the little yellow polka dots at the bottom with the flower down here. Very pretty. I'm not used to having Sunday over here and Saturday over here, so I'm gonna have to get used to that. But yeah. So I was thinking about changing the layout of actually trying a horizontal planner, and then I really kept thinking about it. I'm like, because if I don't like it, I don't want to have to go buy another planner. So I just stuck with the vertical one. So these are the weeklies. This is how the weekly is set up. You have your big bold numbers at the top with the dates and with the names at the bottom, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You have Saturday and Sunday grouped together. This portion of it is green. This portion is white. You have right up here, you have the month of January all together. So you can see it all at one time. And then right here just says notes. So very nice. And down here you have some more of those little yellow dots. Then right here says always be kinder. My bad. It says always be kinder than you feel. So I really do like how the layout of how this planner is, especially because it's going to be like a catch-all planner. So I'm really happy to utilize it. And then it just starts the next month right after the weeklies are done, and just jumps into February just like that. And at the end, the very end of all the months, it does have one note sheet in the back. Alright, so these are my two planners I'll be taking into 2019 with me. I may end up adding another one. I'm not for certain yet on that. But yeah, I will be taking in these two planners, and I will be freaking planning and adding and using and doing what I do with these planners. So be looking out for that video as well. I am currently very, very inspired to get ready for 2019. So I have a lot of videos in my head. I've been writing down a lot of things on my my video planner notebook that I have set aside. So I'm super excited. I'm super excited to go into 2019 with you guys. But I need to first finish off 2018 strong. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are super excited for what's coming up, and the planners I'm going to be taking into 2019 with me. And I'm super excited to actually start using these babies. Like, they've been sitting here for a little bit, and I'm ready to jump into them. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are new, once again, my name is Chanel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you guys come back again soon. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and make sure you have your bell turned on so you can always get notified every time I have a new video posted. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.